Good day, how you doing? Today we're going to be talking about ROYALQ. A lot of you have heard about ROYALQ, but you really do not know what it's all about. So I'm going to be doing a brief introduction about what ROYALQ is. ROYALQ is an artificial intelligence robot, an AI robot that's going to be helping you trade cryptocurrency. It's going to be trading for you. But this is a bit different from everything you have known before. You're not giving your money to ROYALQ as a company. You're not giving your money to anybody. Your money is going to be in the comfort and safety of your personal account, your personal Binance account. That's where your money would be. ROYALQ robot will be linked to your Binance account. Alright? It's going to be linked to your Binance account. This is your Binance account. Your money is here. Your money is here. Your money is here. Right? ROYALQ robot, on the other hand, is this. This is ROYALQ. Right? You're going to link these two together. ROYALQ is going to be trading your money for you. While you are doing this linking, you're giving ROYALQ just two permissions. Permission number one, ability to read the market, so that it can see the market and look for opportunities to make you money. Permission number two, you're giving the ability to trade on spot market. Nobody loses money trading spot. The robot can never ever make a loss while trading for you. It's going to be growing your fund by 10% to 50% every month. Every month. ROYALQ robot will be growing your funds by 10 to 50% every month. If you understand compound interest, you understand how huge your funds can grow in a very short time. This robot will never take your money, can never make a loss with your money. It's going to be growing your fund 10 to 50% every month, and you can grow your funds to as much as you want. We have a simple plan to help you turn your money to over $3 million just for that decent growth of 10 to 50% monthly. You would like to know that, wouldn't you? Alright? Of course, the robot is there, and I've treated this robot that you're going to pay just for you to get the robot. You are paying just $120. $120 per year for the robot. Aside the $120, you're paying an additional $20 as gas fee. So a total of $140. With that, you are good to go to get the robot to trade for you. The robot will grow your fund in the comfort and safety of your personal Binance account. Not mine, not anybody else, not ROYALQ Binance account. Your own personal Binance account. It's going to grow it by 10 to 50% every month. In 4 years, you can have well over $3 million. Now, that is one part of ROYALQ. The second part of ROYALQ, which is totally optional, but personally, I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it because you can make a whole lot of money. What is that part about? The second part is about connected economy. Every one of us is connected. You use a good product, you tell your friends about it, your friend go buy that product, the company's not going to pay you any money. But with ROYALQ, when you introduce ROYALQ to your friends, you can start making anything between $50 to $10,000 every single day. Every single day. You can make $50 to $10,000 every single day. I started this business personally 2 months ago. Today I make an average of $200 every single day. Every single day. So for you to get a more detailed presentation about this, if everything you've heard so far, you can't lose your money, you're not giving your money to a company, you're going to grow your money 10-50% every month, you can make $50 to $10,000 every single day. If that sounds good enough to you, if that sounds exciting to you, if you want to know more details, get back to the person that sent you this video. If there's a link on this video, click the link and get the full description and get started. I hope you become a millionaire in dollars. I hope you become a billionaire in naira. See you soon. I hope you take the right decision. Bye-bye.